Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A4 wing mirror indicator. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a torque screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Also, make sure you have the correct replacement indicator light for your specific Audi A4 model. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Next, we will carefully remove the mirror glass. Gently tilt the mirror glass to create a small gap, either at the top or bottom edge. Using a trim removal tool, carefully pry the glass away from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damage. Once loose, you will see two electrical connectors on the back. Disconnect both of these before fully removing the glass. Now, let's access the indicator. You will typically find 2 or 3 torque screws holding the mirror cap. Unscrew these carefully. Then, gently remove the mirror cap to reveal the indicator light assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector from the old indicator unit and remove it. Finally, install your new indicator, making sure its electrical connection is firmly secured. To finish, reassemble everything in reverse order. First, reattach the mirror cap, securing it with the 2 or 3 torque screws. Next, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors to the back of the mirror glass. Carefully push the mirror glass back into its housing until it clicks securely into place. Finally, test your new indicator light to confirm it functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.